Okay, so for this video, we're going to work on 3 different problems for multiplication. And we're going to go through the different ways that we can figure out a multiplication problem. And this is concerning us trying to find perimeter and area. So our first problem is going to be 5 times 7. So what we want to do, we're going to draw a rectangle to help us figure out this problem. Now this means that we have 5 groups of 7. Or we can say we have 7 groups of 5, either way. So we're going to mark off 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our 5 groups. Now there has to be 7 in each of these groups. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm gonna erase a little bit off of here and make this 7. Okay, so I have 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I have 7. You could do it at the top or the bottom since I have that up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 groups, and I have 7 in each one. Now, for the purpose of this, we can either, I could go through and count all of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? I could do that. So I could count by 7s. So 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, that's the long way around. So I know that 5 times 7 is going to be 35. Now I could represent that by either doing, we could do it by 7s like we did. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, and we figured out 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. We could do it that way. We could do it by 5s, which may be a little bit easier. So we could count by 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I could also do that. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So here we have 5 groups of 7. 3, 4, 5. We have 5 groups of 7 here. Or you could do 7 groups of 5. Okay? Either way, your answer is going to be 35. Or, as you start to get better with your multiplication, you can just say 5 times 7, 35. I know that. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay. This one, why don't we do 3 times 4. Okay? So again, if I need to draw my box. Now over here we can do 3 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4. Or we could do 4 groups of 3. All right. Let's go ahead and measure us off. Okay, here I have 3 groups. Now I need 4 in each of these. 1, 2. All right, do you see that? I have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 in each group. Okay, so we could either count by 3s. So I could go 3 plus 3 more plus 3 more plus 3 more. Right? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Right? Or we could do the 4 groups. Oops, sorry, I wrote this in the wrong one. Over here we would have the 4 groups. See? 4 groups. This one I need 3 groups. 3 groups of 4. So I would count 4, 8, 12. Okay? Either way, getting the same number. All right? Computer went off there. Let's try one more. You do this one by yourself. And then press the pause button. See if you can get it correct. All right, 6 times 3. You go for it. All right, here we go. I'm going got my 3 groups. I can do 6 groups of 3. Or I can do 3 groups of 6. Okay, here I'm going to have 6 groups. Here I'm going to only have 3 groups. Okay, we've got to have 6 in each one. All right, here I'm going to count by 6s. So I know there's 6, 12, and I know that this plus another 6 equals 18. So 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's what I just did right here. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 18. 6 times 3 equals 18.